Demosfui portable gas leak detector is the kind of safety tool that gives you peace of mind, whether you are at home, in the workshop, or checking pipes on the job. Compact and lightweight, it is easy to carry around and simple to use, yet it packs a high-precision gas sensor that quickly detects combustible gases like methane, hydrogen, or carbon monoxide. What makes it extra handy is the audible and visual alarm system. So even if you do not see it, you will definitely hear it when there is danger. The adjustable sensitivity means you can fine-tune it depending on the situation, whether you are scanning for a faint leak or checking a high-risk area. It is a practical tool for electricians, HVAC technicians, and even homeowners who want a reliable way to stay safe. Think of it like a nose with superpowers, always sniffing out invisible threats before they become problems. The KS Eagle electric foam knife is a must-have if you ever work with styrofoam, insulation boards, or do-it-yourself art projects. Instead of fighting with messy, jagged cuts from regular blades, this tool uses high-temperature stainless steel blades to slice through foam like it is butter. The result? Smooth, precise edges without the crumbling mess. Available in cutting lengths from 10 to 25 centimeters, it adapts to different tasks, whether you are trimming insulation panels for home projects or shaping foam for creative crafts. Powered by AC electricity, 110 volts or 230 volts, it heats up quickly and stays consistent so you can work efficiently without interruptions. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to handle, while the heated blade feels almost like a hot knife through butter, literally. For crafters, builders, or hobbyists, this tool turns frustrating cuts into clean, effortless lines, making foam work feel almost satisfying. The Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is one of those Swiss Army knife power tools that quickly becomes the star of any toolbox. Designed to run on Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, it frees you from cords and gives you the flexibility to work anywhere. With a brushless motor and 6 variable speeds from 8,500 to 21,000 oscillations per minute, it adapts to whatever job you throw at it, from cutting wood and sanding surfaces to grinding, scraping, or even delicate touch-ups. The quick release system means swapping between the 23 included accessories takes seconds, no tools needed. Plus, the adjustable side handle adds comfort and stability, making long sessions much easier on your hands. Whether you are tackling home renovations, assembling furniture, repairing fixtures, or just doing creative do-it-yourself projects, this multi-tool feels like the ultimate problem solver. The Ratchet 22-gauge pneumatic upholstery nailer is the kind of tool that makes furniture work, framing and upholstery jobs fast, clean, and satisfying. Compact at 220 by 190 millimeters, it fits comfortably in hand but delivers serious performance with a working pressure range of 60 to 120 psi. Designed for 22-gauge staples, 6 to 16 millimeters in length, 9 millimeters crown width, it is versatile enough to handle upholstery, woodworking, picture frames, and light construction tasks. The 190 staple capacity means less time reloading and more time getting things done, and with 2,000 staples included in the kit, you are ready to dive straight into your projects. Built with durability in mind, it is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to maneuver without tiring out your hands. Whether you are restoring an old chair, tacking fabric, or fastening panels, this stapler turns what could be a tedious task into a quick and precise one. The CZ Extended 3/8" electric ratchet wrench is built for those moments when your hands cannot quite reach, but the job still needs to get done. With its 6-inch long neck and slim compact head, it is perfect for slipping into tight engine bays, narrow corners, and hidden bolts that usually make you want to give up. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers up to 55 Newton meters, 40 foot-pounds of torque at 220 revolutions per minute, plenty for most auto repairs and home projects. And if you need extra strength, you can switch to manual mode for up to 150 Newton meters, 110 foot-pounds without damaging the tool. The set includes two 12-volt, 2,000 milliamp hour batteries, giving you hours of cordless freedom, plus a built-in LED light and power indicator to keep you working smoothly, even in dark spots. With its variable speed trigger and forward or reverse switch, it is as versatile as it is powerful. If you have ever fought with a stubborn bolt that just refuses to move, this Milwaukee 18-volt high-torque impact wrench is about to become your best friend. With a whopping 1,300 Newton meters of torque, it is like having the strength of a heavyweight mechanic right in your hands. The brushless motor not only gives it crazy power, but also keeps things efficient and smooth, meaning less heat, less wear, and a longer life. And because it is cordless, you are free to tackle car repairs, truck maintenance, or even heavy construction tasks without being chained to an outlet. The 18-volt 6,000 mAh lithium-ion battery packs serious stamina, so you can keep working without those constant recharges. Add to that Milwaukee's REDLINKPLUS intelligence, which keeps the tool safe from overloads and overheating, and you have got a machine built to handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. The DECO MMA Series ARC Welder is a compact but powerful welding machine that makes metalwork accessible whether you are a beginner or an experienced welder. Running on standard 220-volt input, it delivers a current range from 20 up to 200 amperes, strong enough to handle mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and even cast iron. Thanks to IGBT inverter technology, it produces a stable arc with smooth welds and deeper penetration, while staying efficient and lightweight. Weighing just 3.2 kilograms and fitted with a shoulder strap, it is easy to carry to workshops, farms, or construction sites. Features like hot start, anti-sticking, and arc force take the frustration out of welding by preventing electrodes from sticking and ensuring quick arc ignition. Safety is built in too, with overheat, overcurrent, and overload protection. Imagine repairing a metal gate in your backyard, striking an arc instantly, and laying down a clean bead that looks like it was done in a professional shop, all with a machine you can sling over your shoulder. The 6-in-1 brushless 21-volt cordless pressure washer is the perfect blend of power, portability, and versatility for all your cleaning needs. Packing a copper brushless motor that pushes out up to 652 pounds per square inch of pressure, it makes quick work of dirt, mud, and grime, whether on your car, bike, garden tools, patio, or even the driveway. The included 3.0 amp-hour battery gives you up to 45 minutes of continuous cleaning, and with a fast charger, you are back in action in no time. The star of the show is its 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, letting you switch between spray patterns on the fly from a pinpoint jet to a wide shower, plus a foaming pot for soapy washes. You can draw water from a bucket, pool, or river using the 5-meter hose with filter basket, making it super convenient for outdoor use where taps are not handy. Imagine blasting mud off your mountain bike after a trail ride, then switching modes to gently rinse your plants, all with the same lightweight spray gun. The 3-in-1 router milling groove bracket is a clever little jig that takes your woodworking precision to the next level. Made from sturdy aluminum, this tool acts as a reliable assistant for cutting slots, milling grooves, and even creating perfect circles with your router. Its compact size, just 40 by 11 by 3 centimeters, makes it easy to carry around the workshop. But do not let its size fool you. It is built to give accurate, repeatable results every time. By guiding your router steadily, it eliminates the guesswork and shaky hands that can ruin a clean cut, especially when you are working on visible joints or decorative details. Whether you are building furniture, crafting wooden decorations, or just improving your shop setup, this jig helps ensure your cuts are smooth and professional looking. Picture yourself gliding the router along, and instead of worrying about slipping off the line, you end up with a flawless groove or a perfect circle that looks like it was done on industrial machinery. The Yofidra Cordless Oscillating Multi-Tool is one of those all-in-one gadgets that quickly becomes your go-to for home projects and repairs. Running on an 18 to 20-volt battery, it delivers up to 600 watts of power with an oscillation frequency between 6,000 and 20,000 movements per minute. That means whether you are cutting, sanding, trimming, or polishing, you can adjust the 6 speed settings to suit different materials and tasks. With a 4-degree oscillation angle, it offers smooth, precise cuts while keeping vibration under control. The quick change universal interface makes swapping out accessories a matter of seconds, and the kit includes 22 pieces to cover everything from wood trimming to metal cutting. Designed to work with Makita-compatible batteries, it gives you cordless freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet. Picture yourself tackling a tricky corner where a saw just will not fit, and this compact tool slides in effortlessly, buzzing through the job like a multitasking pocket knife in power tool form. The bumper repair torch and plastic welder kit is a brilliant solution for giving broken plastic parts a second life instead of replacing them. Powered at 50 watts, it heats up quickly and uses special stainless steel staples that melt into the plastic, reinforcing cracks and breaks with surprising strength. Thanks to the corrugated staple design, the repaired spot can handle knocks and twists without snapping again, making it perfect for car bumpers, motorcycle fairings, plastic panels, and more. The tool itself is lightweight at just under half a kilogram, with an ergonomic grip that sits comfortably in your hand for steady control. Beyond just stapling, it also supports hot cutting, hole repair, tin brazing, and smoothing. So it is a versatile addition to any DIY repair kit. Imagine snapping a bumper corner back into place, sliding a staple into the crack, and watching it fuse together solidly like stitching with heat instead of thread. The 6mm shank CNC straight bit is a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts who want clean, accurate cuts every time. Made from tough tungsten cobalt alloy, it is built for durability and precision, slicing through wood with ease while resisting wear. Available in both single flute and double flute designs, it gives you flexibility depending on the job. The single flute is great for fast, smooth cutting, while the double flute offers finer detail and cleaner edges. Perfect for use in CNC machines or handheld routers, this bit handles flush trimming, slotting, and straight milling with professional results. Whether you are shaping furniture, making wooden decorations, or building detailed projects, it keeps your cuts sharp and consistent. Imagine running your router along a piece of wood and watching it leave behind a flawless edge that looks like it was cut by a machine in a professional workshop. All thanks to this small but mighty cutter. The FYM SN-58 B6 jaw crimping toolset is the kind of all-in-one helper that makes electrical work so much easier. Instead of juggling multiple tools for different connectors, this set handles DuPont, JST, MOLEX terminals, ferrules butt connectors, solar plugs, and even coax connectors, all with one smart design. Its 6 interchangeable jaws let you switch setups in seconds, making it super versatile for both quick fixes and more complex wiring projects. Made from durable carbon steel, it has the toughness to stand up to repeated use, while the bent ergonomic handle ensures comfort and grip so your hands do not tire out. Whether you are building do-it-yourself electronics, maintaining solar systems, or repairing cables, this tool gives you clean, secure crimps every time. The Z-Tem electric grinder is a compact powerhouse built for precision work. Weighing just 0.98 kilograms, it is light enough to handle with ease, but strong enough to tackle serious projects. With speeds ranging from 26,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, this grinder makes short work of polishing, cutting, and carving, whether you are shaping jade, detailing wood, or adding fine touches to metal. Its handheld design gives you full control, almost like holding a pen that just happens to have high-power cutting ability. The included battery keeps it cordless and convenient, so you can move freely without being tied to an outlet. It is especially handy for artisans, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to bring their creative ideas to life with a bit of extra power. Imagine it as a precision brush, but instead of paint, it sculpts and polishes with raw speed, turning delicate projects into finished works of art. The No-Hawk 2-in-1 laser tape measure is one of those gadgets that makes old-school measuring tapes feel outdated. At first glance, it looks like a standard 5-meter steel tape, but hidden inside is a powerful laser distance meter that can measure up to 40 meters or 80 meters with pinpoint accuracy, plus or minus 0.1 meter. That means you can measure across a whole room without even crossing it. Perfect for interior design, decoration, or do-it-yourself projects, it does not just measure length. It also calculates area, volume, and even Pythagorean measurements with a few button presses. The LCD display makes readings crystal clear, and with USB recharging, you do not have to worry about running out of batteries mid-project. At only 82 by 50 by 76 millimeters, it is compact, pocket-friendly, and ready to go anywhere. Imagine measuring a wall with one click, then flipping out the tape to double-check details. It is like having both a laser pointer and a classic tape measure rolled into one sleek little device. The high-cloud trinocular stereo microscope is like stepping into a whole new level of precision for electronics and repair work. Designed with 3.5 times to 90 times magnification, it is perfect for PCB soldering, phone repair, and detailed inspections, letting you see the tiniest solder joints and components in crystal clarity. The trinocular head not only gives you a comfortable stereo view, but also allows you to connect a camera for recording or live streaming your work. With a 38-megapixel full HD USB or HDMI camera option, you can project your view onto a monitor in real time, a total game changer for training, documenting, or just working with less eye strain. The WF 10 times wide field eyepieces and 360-degree rotatable head make it adaptable and easy to use, while the built-in 56 LED ring light ensures everything is bright and evenly lit. Built from solid metal, it is sturdy enough for industrial labs, yet just as useful for do-it-yourself. The No-Hawk Mini Digital Distance Meter is one of those pocket-sized gadgets that instantly makes measuring faster, smarter, and way more fun. Forget unrolling clunky tape measures across a room. With this sleek device, you just point, press, and get an instant reading. Available in 30-meter, 50-meter, or 60-meter ranges, it is accurate, down to an impressive 0.001 meter, which is way beyond what you would ever get with traditional tapes. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, so no need to hunt for replacements, and its compact design means it fits right in your pocket or tool pouch. Perfect for builders, designers, or do-it-yourself lovers. It does not just measure distance, it is also handy for quick layout checks, home renovations, and interior planning. Imagine measuring an entire wall for furniture placement in just a second. No helpers, no hassle, no sagging tape. It is like having a laser pointer that also happens to be a super precise ruler. This 16 or 12 line 4D green laser level is like having a futuristic grid projector for your construction or renovation projects. With full 360-degree coverage both horizontally and vertically, it throws out razor-sharp green beams that are far easier to see than traditional red ones, even in brighter environments. The self-leveling feature keeps everything perfectly aligned within a 4-degree range, so you do not have to worry about uneven setups throwing off your measurements. It runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that gives up to 6 hours of continuous use, making it reliable for long work sessions. Built tough with IP54 protection, it resists dust, water, and shocks, so it is ready for both indoor and outdoor jobs. Whether you are installing tiles, hanging cabinets, or setting up partitions, this tool turns tedious measuring into a smooth, accurate process. The Milesea X5 Laser Rangefinder is a pocket-sized measuring tool that replaces the old tape measure with futuristic precision. Compact at just 120 by 48 by 27 millimeters, it slips easily into your pocket but packs impressive power. With a measuring range from 30 all the way up to 100 meters, depending on the version you choose. Accuracy is spot on within plus or minus 2 millimeters, making it ideal for construction, interior design, or even quick DIY projects around the house. Powered by simple batteries, it is always ready to go without complicated setups. Some models even include Bluetooth, like the D5T, so you can transfer data directly to your phone or tablet for seamless project tracking. Whether you are calculating room dimensions, checking ceiling height, or planning furniture placement, this tool makes the job faster and much more fun. The ANENG 681 rechargeable digital multimeter is like having an entire electrical lab in the palm of your hand. Compact and rugged, this meter automatically detects and measures voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and even temperature, making it a true all-rounder for electricians, hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts. It handles DC voltage up to 1000 volts and AC voltage up to 750 volts, with currents up to 10 amperes. So it is more than capable for both household and professional tasks. The large LCD screen is easy to read, with backlight and analog bar display for quick visual checks. Extra features include a flashlight, non-contact voltage detection, auto shutdown, data hold, and even a low-power reminder, so you are never caught off guard. It is rechargeable too, meaning no more scrambling for spare batteries mid-project. The 68-in-1 electric precision screwdriver set is the ultimate toolkit for anyone who loves fixing, tinkering, or building. Packed with 64 different precision bits covering everything from Torx and Phillips to flatheads, this set can handle smartphones, laptops, cameras, watches, and even tiny eyeglass screws with ease. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers 5 torque settings ranging from delicate 0.25 Nm up to 0.35 Nm, plus manual torque for tougher jobs, giving you just the right control for every task. The rechargeable battery lasts through an impressive 400 screws per charge, and with a handy Type-C port, recharging is quick and simple. What makes it even cooler is the magnetic screw holder and magnetizer, so you will never fumble with tiny screws again. They just snap securely into place. Everything comes in a sleek magnetic storage case with a satisfying pop-up design that keeps your tools neatly organized. Picture yourself swapping a laptop battery or repairing a game console. The screwdriver gliding effortlessly while every tiny piece stays perfectly under control. The Braided welding torch with piezo trigger ignition is a rugged and reliable tool built for serious heating, soldering, and brazing jobs. Designed to run on peak gas or propane, it reaches an incredible flame temperature of up to 2,000 degrees Celsius, perfect for HVAC work, plumbing, or even hobby welding projects. With its CGA 600 connection, it fits the standard 14 to 16 ounce cylinders that are widely available, and it can run continuously for up to 160 minutes on a single tank. The rotating torch tube adds flexibility, letting you work comfortably at different angles without wrestling with the cylinder. Thanks to the piezo ignition, getting the flame going is as simple as pressing a trigger. No need for lighters or matches. Available in professional, standard, and DIY versions, you can pick the one that best suits your needs, whether you are a tradesperson or just tackling occasional repairs at home. Picture yourself firing it up, the blue flame roaring to life and making quick, clean work of copper pipes like butter on a hot pan. The Gallicock 180-in-1 precision screwdriver set is basically the treasure chest of repair tools. Packed inside a neat storage box are 180 different bits and accessories, covering everything from the tiniest screws in a smartphone to the trickiest fasteners in watches, laptops, or cameras. The variety is huge, slotted: Phillips, Torx, 5-point, triangle, spanner, and more. If there is a screw out there, chances are this kit has the tool for it. Each bit is made from chrome vanadium steel, so they are tough, rust-resistant, and built to last. The magnetic tips are a lifesaver, grabbing tiny screws so they do not vanish into thin air. Plus, the handle has a non-slip, ergonomic design, so you will not feel like you are wrestling with your gadgets. Whether you are a do-it-yourself enthusiast, a pro repairer, or just someone who likes fixing their own stuff, this set feels like holding the master key to all your tech. The SI Fang Pneumatic. Reciprocating saw is a serious upgrade for anyone working with metal, especially in automotive projects. Instead of struggling with bulky tools or slow manual hacksaws, this compact air-powered saw slices through sheet metal, exhaust pipes, or panels with precision and speed. Running at up to 3,400 strokes per minute, it has the bite to tackle tough jobs while still giving you control for clean, accurate cuts. With an average air consumption of just 6 CFM, it is efficient enough to run smoothly on a standard air compressor without draining all your power. Its slim, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tighter spaces around a car body or workshop bench. Whether you are cutting out rust, modifying parts, or handling custom fabrication, this tool feels like a shortcut to clean, professional results. The Inverter 3-in-1 router milling groove bracket is like giving your router superpowers. Normally, routing circles, grooves, or precise shapes can be tricky, but this clever jig takes the guesswork out of it. Made from sturdy aluminum, it is lightweight yet durable, and it attaches to your router to transform it into a circle cutter, groove guide, and milling bracket all in one. That means you can cut perfect circles for tabletops, create neat parallel grooves for panels, or just get extra stability when shaping wood. It is the kind of tool that instantly makes woodworking feel smoother and more professional without adding any bulk to your setup. Plus, it comes in a compact package that slips right into your tool bag, ready whenever inspiration strikes. Think of it as the compass of your workshop, guiding your router with precision and turning raw wood into clean, flawless designs. The SmartCraft 4-mode brushless electric hammer drill is the kind of powerhouse that makes tough jobs feel almost effortless. Designed to run on DeWalt 20-volt batteries, this cordless beast packs an impressive 1,800 watts of power, blasting through materials like granite, brick walls, and concrete without breaking a sweat. The real magic is in its 4 modes. Use it as a regular drill for precise holes, switch to hammer mode for heavy-duty masonry, lock in a chisel for shaping or slotting, or go full pick mode for cutting channels and walls. With speeds up to 4,000 revolutions per minute and an impact rate of 5,200 impacts per minute, it is built to deliver serious results. The brushless motor keeps it running cooler, longer, and without the wear and tear of traditional motors. The ACMR S1 mini laser engraver is like having a creative workshop packed into a compact, portable machine. Do not let its small size fool you with a 6-watt laser and speeds up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. It can engrave clean, detailed designs onto wood, leather, paper, acrylic, glass, and more. Its engraving area of 130 by 130 millimeters is just right for custom logos, art projects, or personalized gifts, and the ultra-fine 0.04 millimeter laser spot makes every line crisp and precise. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to move around. Perfect for beginners or hobbyists who want to dive into do-it-yourself laser cutting without investing in a massive setup. With USB connectivity and simple controls, it is user-friendly but still powerful enough to spark endless ideas. The Suckspy 1400-watt demolition jackhammer is the kind of tool that makes even the toughest jobs feel conquerable. With a beastly motor delivering up to 2,900 blows per minute, this electric jackhammer is built to tear through concrete, brick, asphalt, and just about anything else that stands in its way. It comes with 2 solid chisel bits so you can switch between breaking and chiseling, depending on the task. Despite its raw power, it is designed with usability in mind, featuring heavy-duty construction for stability and an ergonomic handle that helps absorb vibration, making long jobs more manageable. Perfect for renovation crews or anyone tackling serious construction projects. This hammer is about brute strength, paired with reliable design. Imagine standing over a stubborn concrete slab, pulling the trigger, and watching it crumble beneath you like it is made of cookies. That is the kind of power we are talking about here. The Uni TS09D flexible clamp meter is a clever piece of gear designed to make measuring high currents a whole lot easier, even in tight or awkward spaces. Instead of a bulky clamp, it uses a Rogowski coil, a flexible loop that can wrap around conductors of different shapes and sizes, giving you safe and reliable readings all the way up to 3,000 amperes. That makes it a perfect companion for professional electricians who deal with heavy-duty equipment. The coil itself is 45.7 centimeters long, lightweight, and tough enough to handle daily use, even drop-proof up to 1 meter. It covers a wide frequency range from 45 to 500 Hz and offers multiple ranges: 30 amperes, 300 amperes, and 3,000 amperes. So you are always working with the right scale. Compatible with UT206B and UT208B meters, it connects smoothly and instantly displays current values. Imagine slipping this flexible clamp into a cramped electrical panel where a rigid clamp would never fit, and getting an accurate reading in seconds. That is the kind of convenience it brings. The JCD8208 Micro Hot Air Gun is a compact yet powerful rework station that is perfect for anyone working with electronics or DIY soldering projects. With 750 watts of output power and an adjustable temperature range from 100 to 480 degrees Celsius, it gives you the control you need for delicate jobs like BGA, SMD, and IC repairs. The LCD display makes it easy to dial in the exact settings, while the brushless fan provides smooth airflow up to 150 liters per minute. It even has a smart feature that automatically stops the rotation when the temperature drops below 70 degrees, saving energy and extending the tool's life. You also get multiple nozzles for different applications, making it versatile whether you are desoldering chips, shrinking heat tubes, or even using it as a quick drying tool. Imagine holding this lightweight gun in your hand, adjusting the airflow with a tap, and watching solder melt precisely where you want it, like magic under your control. The RIEVBCAU Surso DM9 digital microscope takes the hidden details of the world and puts them right on your screen with crystal clarity. Offering up to 1,200 times magnification, this handheld microscope is perfect for electronics repair, soldering work, or simply exploring the microscopic world out of curiosity. It features a full HD camera capable of both photos and video, with resolutions reaching up to 16 megapixels for stills and 1080 Full HD for video. The manual focus lets you adjust from 10 to 40 millimeters, and with 10 built-in LED lights, you always get a bright and clear view, even in tricky lighting conditions. Thanks to its USB connection, it works smoothly with Windows and Mac systems, making it a great tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. The aluminum alloy body adds durability, while its portable design keeps it easy to use anywhere. Picture yourself zooming in on a circuit board and suddenly seeing tiny solder joints as big as mountains. That is the kind of detail this microscope reveals. The DSPIAEESA Reciprocating Sonder is a dream tool for hobbyists and model makers who want precision without the hassle. Designed like an electric grinding pen, it gives you smooth, controlled sanding in spots that normal sandpaper just cannot reach. It comes with 8 different sanding heads, from flat to rounded and irregular shapes, making it super versatile whether you are working on plastic models, miniatures, or even fine details on DIY crafts. The self-adhesive sandpapers snap on easily, and with multiple grits included, you can move from rough shaping to silky smooth finishes in no time. What makes it extra smart is its overload protection system, powered by an intelligent chip that shuts off automatically if too much pressure is applied, keeping both the tool and your project safe. The rechargeable battery charges in about 20 minutes and runs for up to 100 minutes, which is plenty for long creative sessions. This 12-volt cordless right-angle electric wrench is one of those tools that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. Imagine you are working under the hood of your car or squeezing into a tight spot where a regular wrench just will not fit. That is where this little beast shines. With its right-angle design and compact size, it slips into tricky spaces and gets the job done without the usual frustration. Powered by a 12-volt battery and delivering up to 45 Newton-meters of torque, it is strong enough to handle stubborn nuts and bolts, yet light at only 0.71 kilograms, so your hand will not feel like it has been through a workout. It even comes with 4 sockets included, so you are ready to go right out of the box. Whether you are into car maintenance, home repairs, or just like having a smart gadget handy, this wrench feels like a secret shortcut in your toolbox. The EGOD 5-inch brushless electric circular saw is one of those tools that makes you feel like a pro the moment you switch it on. Compact yet power-fuel, this handheld saw is perfect for quick, precise cuts without the hassle of dragging around cords. It runs on DeWalt 20-volt batteries, which is a huge plus if you already have some lying around. Just snap one in and you are ready to roll. The brushless motor gives it more efficiency and longer life, so you spend less time worrying about wear, and more time cutting through wood, panels, or whatever project you are tackling. Its 5-inch blade size strikes a sweet balance. Big enough for serious work, small enough to stay lightweight and easy to control. Whether you are doing do-it-yourself furniture, home improvements, or quick on-site jobs, this saw feels like the trusty sidekick that never lets you down. The wheel marking gauge by G-Dart is one of those tools that instantly makes woodworking feel smoother and more precise. Instead of juggling pencils, rulers, and guesswork, this little gadget gives you clean, repeatable lines with just one motion. The clever wheel-style scriber glides across wood fibers, leaving a sharp, accurate mark that does not smudge or wander. Perfect for joinery, mortises, or anytime you need a reliable guide. What makes it extra handy is the dual scale in both inches and millimeters. So whether you are following metric plans or imperial, you are covered. Compact and sturdy, it slips into a tool bag easily, and the build feels solid enough to last for years of projects. It is one of those once you try it, you will never go back kinds of tools. Imagine drawing perfect parallel lines on your next woodworking project with the confidence of a master carpenter. That is exactly the vibe this gauge delivers. The Greenworks 8-volt mini grinder is like having a whole workshop that fits in your hand. Despite its compact size, just 194 millimeters long, and weighing only 0.225 kilograms, it packs a surprising punch with its 80-watt motor and speeds up to 30,000 revolutions per minute. That means whether you are grinding, engraving, polishing, or even doing delicate do-it-yourself crafts, this tool can handle it with ease. It comes with a whopping 52 accessories, so you are basically ready for any project the moment you open the box. The variable speed control is a big win too. Slow it down for precision work, or crank it up for tougher material. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery with USB charging, it is cordless, convenient, and always ready to go. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of power tools. Small, versatile, and always handy when inspiration strikes. The 1A Van brushless electric planer is one of those tools that instantly makes you feel like a pro in your own workshop. With a blazing speed of 30,000 rotations per minute and a max planing width of 82 millimeters, this cordless beast can smooth, trim, and cut wood with incredible precision. The adjustable depth control lets you fine-tune from 0 to 2 millimeters, which means you can handle everything from delicate touch-ups to more demanding cuts. What makes it stand out is the aluminum base with a V-shaped guide groove, giving you stability and cleaner lines while working. Add to that a large chip outlet that prevents clogging, and you've got a tool that's as smart as it is powerful. Comfort has not been forgotten either, thanks to a soft rubber handle that keeps your hands steady without tiring them out. Whether you are shaping, sanding, or trimming, this planer feels like a magic wand for wood. The Outego cordless electric pruner is the kind of tool that makes you wonder why you ever bothered with manual shears. Designed with a brushless motor and packing 600 watts of power, it slices through branches up to 25 millimeters thick with ease. That means whether you are tidying up your backyard trees, shaping bushes, or working in a vineyard, this pruner gets the job done in seconds without straining your hands. The blades are made from high carbon steel, so they stay sharp and durable even after heavy use. What really makes it convenient is the pair of 21-volt batteries included, each with 1500 milliamp hours of capacity, so you can keep working without frustrating interruptions. Its lightweight PVC body keeps it comfortable to hold, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during longer pruning sessions. The Welding 10-inch brushless electric lawnmower is a real game-changer for anyone who wants a tidy garden without the hassle of cords or fuel. With an incredible 36,000 rotations per minute, this cordless trimmer makes cutting grass and weeds feel effortless. The brushless motor not only delivers smooth and powerful performance, but also handles heat better, meaning a longer life for the tool. One of the coolest features is its versatility, thanks to 3 different blade types: a plastic blade for lawn trimming, a metal blade for tougher weeds, and an alloy saw blade for shrubs or even small crops. Add to that a telescopic handle that stretches from 113 to 133 centimeters, plus a folding design for easy storage, and you have a mower that adapts to any job. The multi-angle adjustable head lets you trim awkward spots without bending and straining. The DC 24-volt 96-watt mini table saw is a compact powerhouse that brings professional precision right to your workbench. Despite its small size, this little machine is built from sturdy aluminum alloy and cold-rolled steel, giving it durability and stability for all sorts of DIY projects. With a 7-speed adjustable motor that reaches up to 6,000 rotations per minute, you can easily adapt the cutting speed to match different materials, from wood and plastics to aluminum alloy and even circuit boards. The blade cuts up to 14 millimeters deep, perfect for model making, crafts, and small woodworking tasks where accuracy is everything. A clear acrylic protective cover keeps your hands safe without blocking your view, while the built-in vacuum hose connection means you can cut without making a giant mess. It is light, portable, and fits perfectly in a small workshop or even on a desk.